Today's brands face complex challenges in an omni-channel world. Your customers can engage anywhere, at any time, and you need to be there at the right moment. We are Smith, and we create transactional brand moments that drive customer engagement, revenue, and loyalty. These can be anything from sharing a video to making a sale. What matters most is that they connect and build on each other. That starts with strategy and intelligence, the research, planning, and analysis needed to engage customers with confidence to earn their trust. During experience design, we make the work for whatever medium and channel is most effective, so you capture their attention. Technology brings it to life, using everything from cutting-edge mobile standards to the most complex e-commerce systems, so you exceed their expectations. Through these capabilities, Smith will find, create, and connect the right transactional brand moments to engage your customers and solve the unique challenges you face.